This is posterior shoulder rolling. So what's happening here? I'm just kind of dancing with the wall, aren't I? I'm taking a lacrosse ball and I'm putting it between the wall and the back of my shoulder. Now, you can use a tennis ball as well. It'll just slide around a little bit more, but it will be a little bit softer. I like lacrosse balls because they hold the wall better and can really dig into the spots I want to hit. With this, I'm going to put it right behind my shoulder and behind my armpit there. And what we're going to do is let's take a look at what the bony protrusions we're going to try to avoid here. So you've got the medial border of your shoulder blade that sticks out your back here, and it comes down to that inferior angle down here. Let's just call that like the point of your shoulder blade sticking out there. I'm going to stay on the outside of that. And then up at the top here, you've got the acromion process of your scapula here. And that's, let's just call that the upper ridge of your shoulder blade. So we're going to stay below that. So we're going to stay on the outside of the medial border, the point of the shoulder blade, closer to the armpit out here, anywhere in between there. And we're going to come all the way as far up as that acromion process at the top, this sort of upper ridge of the scapula. Anywhere in there. That's going to target primarily our infraspinatus back there, but you've also got your teres major, teres minor, and some other soft tissue that crosses over in front of there. And we're going to try to just roll it all out. You're going to roll all the way around that section. And if you ever hit a tender spot, you're going to sit and hold it for 30 seconds, trying to relax the muscle, let it dig in. Might not feel great, just let it sink and relax. After about 30 seconds, you can roll away and come back to it, repeat it, or find any other spots that you might have. Just spend some time on it. Don't rush this. Roll anywhere around in that section all the way out to the armpit, as long as you're staying just outside the shoulder blade there and underneath that upper ridge of the shoulder blade. And you're going to get all that good soft tissue on the back of the shoulder there. And that there is your posterior shoulder rolling.